Hey guys, welcome back to Smiling Design Co. Today we're just going to be working on some custom socks, large crew socks. Probably just going to do a design right in the middle right here. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so here's our design that we're going to be cutting out. On the left side, I welded that so it's all in one piece and it cuts together. And on the right side, they're both separate pieces, just so I can have two different colors on the image. Okay, now that you have it on this side, make sure everything's not touching. Make sure it's all fitting on your mat. And if you're using iron-on vinyl, you have to turn the mirror on. It'll look backwards on the screen, but once you cut it out, it will not be backwards. It'll be just the way you want it. Alright, now that we got our white iron-on vinyl on here, let's put her in there and get her cut. Alright, now let's weed the green part. Okay, so right now we're just letting it heat up to 320, and then we're going to heat the design onto the sock for 15 seconds. Okay, now that I put my socks on there, I put this paper over just so it doesn't get too hot and burn the vinyl. I'm just going to put it down for 5 seconds. So now we're just putting the logos on. Just like that. Okay, so now we're going to put this back over. And we're going to do it for 12 seconds. Okay, so that first part's done. Now let's put on the green lettering. Alright, now that we got that on there, put this paper back on. We're going to do it again. 12 seconds. Last two pieces. Alright, we're going to do that one more time. 12 seconds. And just like that, pair of pretty nice socks. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any other future videos. Until next time, catch you on the next one.